Alright, we're at the Big M Farms. We're gonna go pick up some honeyberries. How you doing?
Over here, the honeyberries are those like bushes.
Okay, cool. Maybe we'll get a couple zucchinis. There's some pretty big ones on the little plants. Okay, here's the white steak with the honeyberries. Do you want to go to the first patch of honeyberries? Right here? She said that a lot of people go on the outside.
Oh, really?
So if you go in the middle to the back. These are pretty big honeyberry bushes. Should we see if these ones taste good?
Yeah. How is it?
It's pretty good. It's pretty tart.
Yeah.
Well, at least it doesn't smell it. It tastes like beet. Oh, the big ones are probably the pollinator variety. So we probably should.
Oh my gosh, look at this honeyberry. Doesn't that look so yummy? Yum. There's mosquitoes. Okay. What do you find them? Let's see. Oh dang. Look at those things.
There's some pretty good ones.
Alright, I better get busy and start picking some. Look at those.
Got a little weird little thing on it.
Oh my gosh. Yum.
So,
Okay.
I already got a few.
Dang, I better get busy.
Oh yeah, there's some underneath there.
They just fall off so easy. Okay, we're trying out this.
There's a lot like still in the back and the center, so that's why it went down to the back and it went in the center. But I think in the middle center would be good too. Well, honeyberry not as thin as blueberry.
They remind me of blueberries.
A little bit different. Okay, this one tastes. All right, we're here at the Big M Farm. We're just hunting for honeyberries, picking them off the bushes. You kind of like lift up the branches, and then on the really good ones, there's like a whole pile. If you dig in a little bit, but they're really woody. But yeah, there's some pretty big ones like underneath the branches in here ways. So